Ever found yourself staring at your phone, trying to figure out which crypto exchange is the right fit for you? Gemini or Coinbase? It's a question I get asked a lot, and honestly, it's a great one. Because choosing the right platform can seriously impact your crypto journey. Are you a seasoned trader looking for advanced features? Or maybe you're just starting out and need something simple and user-friendly? The answer isn't one size fits all, and that's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to break down Gemini and Coinbase head-to-head, comparing everything from fees and security to user experience and available features. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of which platform best aligns with your specific needs. Let's start with the basics. Both Gemini and Coinbase are popular cryptocurrency exchanges that allow you to buy, sell, and store digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a growing list of altcoins. They both aim to provide a gateway into the world of crypto, but their approaches and target audiences differ slightly. Coinbase, arguably the more well-known of the two, has positioned itself as a beginner-friendly platform. Its interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy for newcomers to navigate and understand the basics of buying and selling crypto. Think of it as the Crypto for Dummies version, but in a good way. They prioritize simplicity and ease of use, which is excellent for those just dipping their toes into the crypto waters. Gemini, on the other hand, while still accessible to beginners, caters a bit more to the active trader. They offer a more robust trading platform with advanced charting tools, order types, and even a dedicated web application for more serious traders. It's like stepping up from a bicycle to a motorcycle. You get more control and power, but there's a bit more to learn. Now, let's talk about the dreaded topic, fees. This is where things can get a little tricky, and it's crucial to understand how each platform charges. Both Gemini and Coinbase have different fee structures, and they can vary depending on factors like your trading volume, the size of your transaction, and the payment method you use. Coinbase, in general, has been criticized for its relatively higher fees, especially for smaller transactions. Their fees are often built into the price of the cryptocurrency itself, making it sometimes difficult to see exactly what you're paying. However, they do offer Coinbase Pro, a separate platform with significantly lower fees, but it requires a bit more technical know-how. Gemini, on the other hand, boasts a more transparent and generally lower fee structure, particularly for active traders. Their active trader platform offers a maker-taker fee model, which can be advantageous for those who place a lot of orders. However, their web and mobile app fees can be higher for smaller, simpler trades. Security is paramount in the crypto world, and both Gemini and Coinbase take it very seriously. Both platforms employ industry-standard security measures, including two-factor authentication, cold storage for the majority of user funds, and regular security audits. Coinbase has a strong track record when it comes to security, and they've never experienced a major hack. They also offer FDIC insurance for USD balances up to a certain limit, which provides an extra layer of protection. Gemini also has a stellar security reputation and has never been hacked. They were built with a security-first mentality from the ground up, and they've implemented robust measures to protect user assets. They also utilize multi-signature technology for their cold storage, adding another layer of security. User experience is a critical factor, especially for beginners. As mentioned earlier, Coinbase excels in its simplicity and ease of use. The interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate, even for those who are completely new to crypto. Buying and selling crypto on Coinbase is a straightforward process, and they provide helpful educational resources to guide users along the way. Gemini's interface, while still user-friendly, is slightly more complex than Coinbase, particularly if you're using the active trader platform. It offers more advanced charting tools and order types, which can be overwhelming for beginners. However, for active traders, these features are essential for making informed trading decisions. Another important consideration is the range of cryptocurrencies offered. Coinbase generally offers a wider selection of cryptocurrencies, including many popular altcoins. They are often quicker to add new coins to their platform, giving users access to a broader range of investment opportunities. Gemini, while still offering a decent selection of cryptocurrencies, typically focuses on more established and vetted projects. They tend to be more selective about which coins they list, prioritizing security and regulatory compliance. So, who wins? Honestly, it depends on your needs. If you're a beginner looking for a simple and user-friendly platform to buy and sell crypto, Coinbase is a great starting point. Its intuitive interface and educational resources make it easy to get started, even if you have no prior experience. If you're an active trader looking for lower fees, advanced trading tools, and a more robust platform, Gemini might be a better fit. Their active trader platform offers a competitive fee structure and a wide range of features for serious traders. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to try both platforms for yourself. Most exchanges allow you to create a free account and explore the interface before committing any funds. This will give you a first-hand feel for each platform and help you determine which one best suits your trading style and preferences. Remember, the world of crypto is constantly evolving, and both Gemini and Coinbase are continuously updating their platforms and adding new features. So, it's essential to stay informed and do your own research before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.